So first, the 16th one, a public safety advertisement campaign in Russia. Hope is for plural, singular. We hope. He hopes. They hope. So a public safety advertisement, singular. So a public safety advertisement campaign in Russia hopes. This should be hopes. 16th, HOPES. This is subject verb agreement. 17th, nuclear waste will still nuclear waste will still be radioactive even after 20,000 years, so it must be disposed of very carefully. My friend lived at the top. No, at the top. No, my friend lived on top of an old house, which attic had been converted into a flat. 18th one. Or rather, my friend lived at the top of an old house whose attic. Which attic? I think this is more problematic. यहाँ पे whose होता तो better होता, right? I think 18th में that one is what everybody is saying. Right. My friend lived out at the top of an old house whose attic had been converted into a flat. चलो 18th का I will accept. C is actually a better correction to make. क्वेश्चन में 18 में C is a better answer to have. ठीक है. 19th, the Renaissance was a time to reawakening. The Renaissance was a time to reawakening in both the arts and the sciences. To reawakening, this should be a time of reawakening. So 19th maybe B should be the answer, not C. 19th maybe B should be the answer, not C. Time of reawakening होता है, time to reawakening नहीं होता है. So 19th also corrected, should be B. Right? And 20th one, a cash prize was awarded to the, no, a cash prize was part है ना, तो this should be awarded. A cash prize was awarded to the most successful salesman of the year by the president of the company. So 20th में award की जगह awarded होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Everybody got this one? Pretty simple. Right? Okay. Quickly moving ahead to the next one then. Now 21 to 25. 21 to 25. Let's first see the answers and then any doubts we'll solve them. 21 to 25. This is it. 21 to 25. Twenty-fourth one, okay. What else? 22nd, 25th, okay. Anything else? Anything else? Okay. So no doubt in 24th, then 22nd and 25th. ठीक है? 22nd. Many leading members of the opposition party dash to justify the party's decision. Having tried, नहीं, has tried singular के लिए आएगा. Many leading members of opposition have been trying to justify. Makes sense. Many leading members tries नहीं, is trying नहीं. See, is trying and has tried तो नहीं आएगा because many members, plural है. तो have been trying is the best grammatically correct possible option. So 22 definitely C. Aksa, 22 is definitely C. Do you get that? Okay. And next one, 25th. 25th, the artist's work of art is worthy of praise. This is idiomatic usage. Something is worthy of praise. Shabashi ke layak. Worthy of praise. That's an idiom. Something which is so nice that it should be praised. So we call something which is so nice that it should be praised as being worthy of praise. So worthy of praise. This is simply an idiomatic usage. Okay. 26 to 30. Let's take a look at 26 to 30. So 26 to 30 should be (26, 27, 28, 29). Okay. Okay. One by one. 26. First of all, one of the words printed may be wrongly spelt or inappropriate. Okay. Familiarize health safety manual. Manual में single N आता है. MANUAL. 27th. Political environment conducive reforms. All the spelling are correct. The ship was at sea and finally anchored near the coastline. ये coastline होता है. So it is COASTLINE. Some of our regular listeners have complained about the new program scheduled. Scheduled नहीं होता. They are complaining about a schedule. So there is no E at the end. The report found that the safety equipment had been poorly maintained. All are correct. So all these are spellings. Yeah, 26 में it should be manual. MANUAL. Single N. It's not double N. Manual contains a single N in it. Did everybody get this one? Any other doubts? Pretty simple. Pretty simple. All they checked was spellings. Surprisingly, questions of spellings. Okay. Next. Oh, jumbled passages. Again, these will take time. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're difficult. Let's see. Let's put up the answers first, and then if any doubts, we'll take them. Right? These are my 5 options. These are my 5 answers. Which one? 31, there is no sentence S. Okay. Picture a termite colony occupying the lot. Ooh, there is no S. Okay. So 31 and 34 to if you are not able to get, let's see. The colony. So S6 is actually S. Because see, picture a termite colony occupying a tall mud hump. The hump is alive. So technically this should not be S6, this should be S. But it's okay if you leave it. Yeah, the question will be cancelled. Let's cancel 31 and 34. Question 31 and 34. Let's just eliminate them, because if it's confusing which is sentence S, then technically that question should not be taken into consideration. Right? So 31 and 34 we will eliminate. 32nd one. Okay, 32nd one. Why are horses the same? It may be old and lame, and in time it will die. A particular horse flows naturally, but there is something all horses are. You probably don't think they are at all. But the form of the horse is eternal and unmutable. Okay. See, the question asked is, why are horses the same? So you lead with, you probably don't think they are at all, right? So you first they say, why are horses the same? Maybe you think they are not, but there is something all horses are in common, right? You don't think they are, but there is something which all horses have in common, right? It may be all and in time it will die. But a particular horse flows naturally, but the form of the horse is eternal and unmutable. So SR and PQ. Now the question is PQ के बीच में P पहले या Q पहले? P पहले या Q पहले? Right? So look at this. It will die but eternal. Right? Death and being immortal. Two opposite ideas linked with the but. So P. No, but that means that P should be the end. Why are horses the same? You probably don't think they are, but there is something all horses have in common. A particular horse flows naturally. It may be old and lame, and in time it will die, but the form of the horse is eternal and immutable. P should be the ender. That means D has to be my answer. Technically 32nd mein D has to be the answer, guys. 32nd D has to be the answer. D has to be the answer. Yeah. 32nd, definitely D has to be the answer. Right? Tamanna, in exam, if you have not marked, you get 0. If it is correct, you get mark. If it is wrong, negative. If it is unmarked, you get 0. And see, if a question is wrong, they will cancel the question. Nobody will get a mark for it. Whether you have marked it or not. For cancelled questions, nobody gets marks. ठीक है? Tamanna. In exam, for cancelled questions, nobody gets any marks. Okay, 33 and 35. Okay. 33. Oh, bapa re. 33 is too long. 33. What does it say? The reconstruction in history by post-revolutionary scientists involves more than a multiplication of historical misconstructions. हे भगवान, ये तो मैं पढ़ते ही थक जाऊंगा. I'm not even going to try to attempt it. It will be madness to attempt this question. Understanding it will take so much time. 33 is the best if left. Best if left. Right? Don't even read it. Don't even try it. Yeah. 33. Parnika, I'm not even going to try to attempt this question. Yeah. समझने में it's going to waste so much of time. If I got lots of time, फिर भी it is not worth it. Right? Yes, Namra, all the options are different, but I actually did it. I quickly went through the sentences and none of them seem like, see, because से तो start नहीं होगा. So, चलो, B cannot be my answer. उतना तो मुझे समझ में आ गया. Right? After that, what? Because चलो, in fact I cannot eliminate because S1 starter है ना, तो because तो हो सकता है. So even that does not help me. None of them actually help me. The given answer for this one, which one is this? 33rd. The given answer for this is option D. But I'm in exam, it will be wise not to do it. D is the answer, but it is wise not to do it. Chalo, 35th one. 35th one में, a nation like an individual has many personalities and many approaches to life. If there is a strong organic bond between different personalities, it is well. Otherwise, this could lead to disintegration and trouble. Normally, some kind of equilibrium is eventually established. If normal development is arrested, then conflicts arise between different personalities. Okay? So, personalities is mentioned here, personalities is mentioned here. Which means P and S, are they related? I don't know. If there's a strong, has many personalities, but personalities is also in S1. Okay, so a nation has many personalities. If there's a strong bond, it is well. Otherwise, it could lead to disintegration. Normally, some kind of equilibrium is established. If normal development is arrested, this conflict, blah, 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 blah. I don't see any need to rearrange anything. I don't see the need to rearrange anything. So A, PQRS makes best possible sense. Right? Whoever was asking me this question, I think PQRS is good enough. Okay. Last 5 questions for English. Fill in the blanks. Let's take a look at the answers quickly and then let's take a look at what should be the thing. Okay. So 36 onwards. C, D, D, A, C. Any doubts in these? 36th one. Okay. The Bhagavad Gita is a poem of 700 verses which is a part of the Mahabharata. It is the only philosophical song existing in all languages. Its popularity and influence have never feigned. It dash light and guidance to the troubled mind. It gives light and guidance. So provides light and guidance to the troubled mind. It provides light and guidance to the troubled mind. Right? It gives something to the troubled mind. So gives ki jagah provides. That's the best possible option for the 36th one. Do you get that? It throws light and guidance to 9. Zarna, throws light on hona chahiye. It throws light on something, but it light to. So it provides light to. Do you get that? So 36 mein C is definitely the answer. Okay. Any other question in these 5? Any other question in these 5? Right? Chalo. If there are no doubts, then we move ahead to the next section, maths. I think maths was the next one. Right. So the next question, 41 to 45. What's a good score in English? Okay. Let me just add up what I've written. 7, 12, 19, 20, 24 to 25. 24 to 25. I'm not a good score, but I'm saying minimum score is that much. Good score is obviously 34, 35 plus. But 24, 25 is the minimum score that anybody should get. Anything less than that is unacceptable. Right? Chalo. Let's move on to the next section, maths. 41 to 45. Any doubts? Maths में तो भर भर के doubts आएंगे, I'm sure. 35. Zarna, maths में पहुंच गया. You mean 45? अच्छा, that is the score you are talking about. Zarna, what is 35? Question number 40 score. Okay. Question number 44. Okay. 41 to 45, 43, 43 and 44. Okay. 42, 43, 44. Okay. Anything else? 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay. Chalo, let's take them one by one. 42. A man bought 2 pens at the rate of rupees 480. He sold one at a gain of 19% and other at a loss of 15%. And he found that each pen was sold at the same price. Then find the cost price of the first pen. Okay. Paranika, I put up the answers on the screen. I put up 41 to 45k answers on the screen. Chalo, 42nd. A man bought 2 pens at a rate. So let the cost price of the first pen be X. So cost price of the second pen will be 480 minus X. One is at a gain of 19%. So 119 by 100 times X is SP1. And that is equal to loss of 15%. So 85 upon 100 into 480 minus x. Solve for x, you will find it. 42nd समझ में आया शुभम? Okay. 43rd. Find the difference between SI and PI for the sum rupees. Seriously 43 में किसको डाउट है? डंडे लेके मारूंगा ये तो. सीरियसली यार, इसमें तो फॉर्मूला कुछ ओरली कर सकते हैं. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट 1500 10% 2 ईयर. सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में 300 का होगा, इसमें 300 150 का 10% 15 रुपए का डिफरेंस होगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. 15 रुपीज का डिफरेंस होगा. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? सी सिंपल 1500 पे 10% यानी फर्स्ट ईयर 150, सेकेंड ईयर 150. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट भी फर्स्ट ईयर 150, सेकेंड ईयर 150 पे 10% एक्स्ट्रा, तो 15 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा. दैट्स इट. कम ऑन, दिस इज इजी, राइट? ओके. 44th, Kamal can do a work in 15 days, right? So per day Kamal can do 1/15 of the work. Bimla is 50% more efficient. So per day she can do 2/15 of the work. So 15 by 2. 50, not 100%, 50% more efficient. So 1.5 by 15, or rather 3 by 30. So 30 by 3 is 10 days. 44th 10 days में work will be done. 10 days में work will be done. Aditya, D, not C, D. 50% more, 1.5 times, not double. Right? Okay. 45th. If the man rows at 8 kilometers, so speed of the boat is 8 and his upstream rate is 5 kilometers per hour. Boat minus river is 5. That means speed of the river is 3. So boat plus river is 8 plus 3, which is 11. 45th is B. Paranika, 45th तो सिंपल था यार. Unless of course you are confused between upstream downstream. Upstream में speed minus होता है, downstream में speed add होता है. One of the easiest possible questions of both and streams. Nothing to be done except understand B plus कब लेते हैं, B minus कब लेते हैं. ठीक है? I think the first 5 are very simple. You could have got at least 4 out of 5. Chalo, next. Let's take a look at the next set of questions. 46 onwards. So 46 onwards. Any doubts? 46 to 50. Mm, 49 and 50. Okay. What else? $47, $48, $49, $50. Okay. 46 also डाल ही दिया. ओके चलो, कम ऑन. 46 तो सिंपल है. A, B, C and D को कंपेयर करना है. A is to B is 3 is to 4. B is to C is 5 is to 6. पहले इन दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं. 4 5s are 20, so 3 5s are 15 and 5 4s are 20, तो 6 4s are 24. राइट? सो A, B, C का तो 15 20 24 आ गया. एंड C is to D is 11 is to 9. राइट? सो अभी तक कॉमन नंबर्स क्या थे? 20 यहां पे मुझे लेके आना है. सो 24 11s are 254. राइट? सो 11 24s are, सो 9 24s are, 9 को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24 करो एंड इन सबको मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11 करो. सो दिस इज 165 एंड 9 into 24, 240 minus 24, 216. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, आई गेस आंसर आ जाएगा. सो 3 55 आर 3 7 आर 55 is to 72 हो गया. Got the 46th one. Got the 46th one. नहीं समझ में आया? चलो फिर से करते हैं. सी आई विल गिव अ जनरल एग्जांपल. सपोजिंग ए एंड बी का रेशियो 2:3 है एंड बी एंड सी का रेशियो 4:5 है. तो जो कॉमन नंबर है उसका एलसीएम ले लेने का, राइट? 12. सो 3 4s are 12, so 2 4s are 8, so 8 and 12. 4 3s are 12, so 5 3s are 15. तो अब ए बी एंड सी में ए एंड सी को आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो. ये टेक्निक समझ में आया शुभम? बस तो ए बी सी को पहले लेके आओ, फिर ए बी सी डी को लेके आओ, एलसीएम से आ जाएगा. समझ में आया? ओके. 47th one. In what proportion must cotton at 2450 be mixed at 30? So the mix. Come on, 27th. ये तो भगवान क्वेश्चन है, राइट? डिफरेंस इज 1.5, डिफरेंस इज 4.5. सो 3:1 के रेशियो में मिक्स करो, आंसर आ गया. एलिगेशन, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एलिगेशन. आदित्य, एलिगेशन से आंसर आ गया यार. कम ऑन, ये क्वेश्चन तो पप्पू था, इसमें कौन सा बड़ा कंफ्यूजन है? हाँ, वैसे लीनियर इक्वेशन से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. यू कुड हैव डन x इंटू 24.5 प्लस y इंटू 30.5 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई इंटू 26 एंड आपको x अपॉन वाई का ही फाइंड करना है. सो लीनियर इक्वेशन से आ जाएगा. या इट शुड बी अ कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम वाज प्रेटी सिंपल. चलो, को प्राइम पेयर वो नंबर्स जिनका मल्टीपल, जिसका HCF 1 है. 11 and 12 को प्राइम, 13 21 को प्राइम, 14 15 को प्राइम. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. रिमेंबर गाइस, को प्राइम का एक बड़ा फंडा सिंपल है, राइट? कैलकुलेशन भी नहीं करना पड़ता. एनी पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट नंबर्स विल ऑलवेज बी को प्राइम. कोई भी दो नंबर ले लो, 5 and 6 को प्राइम, 21 and 22 को प्राइम, 137 138 को प्राइम, 57,212 57,213 को प्राइम्स. एनी टू एडजेसेंट नंबर विल ऑलवेज बी को प्राइम. को प्राइम क्या होता है? जिसका HCF 1 है. सो कोई भी दो एडजेसेंट नंबर्स हमेशा को प्राइम होते हैं. ये प्रॉपर्टी याद रखो. शौर्य, समझ में आया? ओके. 49th. 5 men take 1 hour. That means 12 men will take X hours. 5 by 12, 12 5 is 60, 25 by 60 is 25 minute. So 49th 25 minute. Simple. 49th. Right? Okay. 50th one. 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 को 7 से डिवाइड करना है, तो ऊपर को पहले 7 के फॉर्म में लेके आओ. कैन आई से दिस इज 28 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 बाय 7. सो 28 का तो अल्टीमेटली 7 से डिवीजन होता ही है. सो 2 raised to 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 divided by 7, 7 2s are 14. Remainder will be 2. So 50th में remainder is 2. Can't we take 30 to the power 4 as 81? यार 30 to the power, oh boss, 30 to the power 4, 81. No, 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 no. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. 3 to the power 4 और 30 to the power 4 में बहुत फर्क होता है, बहुत फर्क होता है. 3 to the power 4 and no, you cannot do that. No, you cannot do that. You cannot exclude it यार. Come on, you cannot. 0 का exclude करके, no, it doesn't work like that. ठीक है, चलो 51 to 55, 51 to 55. 51 to 55, 51, 53, 55. Okay, 52 और 54 भी बोली दो कोई. चलो. The angle between the minute hand and the hour of the clock when the time is 8:30. Okay. Clocks and calendars नहीं किया क्या प्रणिका? ये तो clocks and calendars का बड़ा basic sum है. See. Clocks and calendars में let's start. Right? This is 6, 7, 8 and 9. So exactly जब 8 o'clock होगा, the minute hand will be here and the hour hand will exactly point at 8. So what is the angle between them? What is the angle between them? 180 plus 60. So the angle between them is 240 degrees. Exactly 8 o'clock clockwise, the angle between them is 240 degrees. Correct? Now, you are asked what is the angle when 8:30. अब point में नहीं है. That means उनको तो सिर्फ approximate answer ही चाहिए. So approximate answer ही चाहिए ना. No problem. In fact, exact answer भी आ जाएगा. Look at it. 8:30 को hour hand, minute hand यहाँ पे होगा. And hour hand will be exactly between 8 and 9. 8:30 को minute hand exactly 6 पे होगा. And hour hand will be exactly between 8 and 9. So, 8 division is 30 minutes. So, 30 minutes plus 30 minutes, 60 plus आधा. 60 plus 15, 75 degrees. इसमें तो कैलकुलेशन की भी जरूरत नहीं है. लॉजिकली आंसर आ जाएगा 75 डिग्रीज. इसमें तो कोई फंडा करने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. रीजनिंग का सिंपल क्वेश्चन हो गया ये तो. ठीक है, चलो 52nd में किसी को पंगा. 52nd क्वेश्चन, डिड एवरीबॉडी गेट? ओके, 52nd एवरीबॉडी सीम्स टू हैव गॉट इट. कुछ नहीं तो ऑप्शन डाल के देख लो. नहीं समझ में आए तो भी एक एक ऑप्शन डाल के देख लो. 2 मिनट में आंसर आ जाएगा. 2 मिनट के 30 सेकेंड्स में आंसर आ जाएगा. चलो 53rd को देखते हैं. 53rd, 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square is 0. I have to find the value of x is to y. Okay, so 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. So basically I have to split 7 in such a format that 2 and 3 से कुछ ना कुछ आए. Okay, so can I say 2x square minus 6xy minus xy plus 3y square is 0. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So can I say 2x into x minus 3y minus y into x minus 3y is 0, or x minus 3y into 2x minus y is 0. So either x is equal to 3y or 2x is equal to y. So x upon y is either 3 is to 1 or 1 is to 2. Right? 53rd में जिसको पंगा था मिल गया. 53rd में जो पंगा था मिल गया. Okay. हार्दी, yeah I know the formula is there, but इस समय तो फॉर्मूले इसका फॉर्मूला बड़ा सिंपल है. 5.5 degrees per minute. The rotation is 5.5 degrees per minute. जो फॉर्मूला मुझे बता रहे हो एग्जैक्टली वही है. बट आई वॉज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला, देन आई रियलाइज कि इस प्रॉब्लम में तो फॉर्मूले की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. लॉजिक से आंसर आ जाता, इसलिए आई डिड नॉट शो दैट. वरना द फॉर्मूला इज सिंपल, 5.5 डिग्रीज पर मिनट. ओके, 53rd समझ में आ गया. ठीक है. 54th आई डोंट गेस देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. 55 एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर 1.2 लेंथ स्क्वायर is 1.44 L square. So 44% it increases. पप्पू, ये तो कैलकुलेशन की भी जरूरत नहीं है. 20% 0.2 इंक्रीज होता है, नहीं 0.44 इंक्रीज होगा. हाँ लेते 100 लेके करो, कोई पंगा नहीं है. 10 into 10 is 100, 12 into 12 is 144, 100 to 144, 44 का इंक्रीज हो गया. Got the 55th one पढ़ने का easy. Okay. Chalo. 56 to 60. Let's take a look at 56 to 60. Any problems in 56 to 60? (57, 58, 60) पढ़ने का मैथ्स में मेजर पंगा लग रहा है अपने को, because this paper was relatively simple. You need to practice a lot, that means. चलो 57, 58 and 60. Okay. 57. Average score of girls is 73. That of boys is 71. The average score of the class is 71.8. So allegation से अगर करेंगे, this is 1.2 and this difference is 0.8. So basically the ratio is 2:3. So girls is 2 out of 5 total. So that is 40%. 40% 57th में आ गया. समझ में आया पढ़ने का ये वाला, राइट? एलिगेशन, जहां पे भी एवरेज ऑफ एवरेजेस निकालना है, एलिगेशन याद रखो हमेशा. चलो 58th. A car traveled 80 kilometers at 60 kmph. Okay, what should the average speed be for the next 4 hours? So if it is traveling 80 kilometers at 60 kmph, that means it took 5 hours, right? And next it is going to travel for 4 more hours. So in total 9 hours. If the average is supposed to become 14, that means what is the distance it is supposed to travel? 9 hours में average speed अगर 14 करना है, so total it has to travel 126. Out of 126, 80 तो वो travel कर चुका है. तो now 46 it has to travel in 4 hours. That means 11.5 का average लगाना पड़ेगा उसको. Got the 58th one? मन पढ़ने का 58th one समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now the 60th one. 60th unitary method से solve करेंगे step by step. Right? Number of students, number of pencils, number of days. 5 students, 18 pencils in 9 days. 66 पेंसिल्स हैं मेरे पास, 15 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. फाइंड क्या करना है, कितने डेज चलेगा. ठीक है, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. स्टेप बाय स्टेप करते हैं. 5 पेंसिल्स 18 स्टूडेंट्स को 9 डेज लास्ट करता है, तो 15 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए उतने ही दिन में ज्यादा चाहिए या कम पेंसिल चाहिए? डू आई नीड मोर पेंसिल्स और लेस पेंसिल्स? मोर. So 5 3s are 15. So 18 3s are 54. So for 15 students, 54 pencils will be 9 days. So for 15 students, 66 pencils will be more days or less days? Number of students is same. So this is direct variation. So if 54 last for 9 days, 66 will last how much? So 66 multiplied by 9 divided by 54. 9 6 are 54, 6 11s are 66. My answer is done. 11 days. समझ में आया? 60th one. Did you get the 60th one now? Okay. Now we reach the data interpretation sets. 4 states, 3 years, and number of villages is given. Okay, and this is 50. So every division is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Cool. So the graph shows the number of villages in 4 different states where electrification was done, and very very round figures, Pappu. So 61 to 65, I'll give you the answers, but I think the set was very simple. Did you get this set? I hope everybody got this set simple. It was easy because the figures are so beautifully given. सब एकदम राउंड फिगर है, तो ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशन भी नहीं होगा. ओरली भी आधे से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाएंगे इसमें. ओरली आधे से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाएंगे इसके अंदर. Okay, so I'm guessing nobody had a problem in this set. Very good. Laddu. Then the last 5 examples, the last data interpretation set. In which year was electrification work done in maximum number of villages? Okay, last one my problem. In which year was electrification work done in maximum number of villages? Okay, 2014 में 60 plus 40 100 plus 30 170 plus 40 210. 210 के सामने 50 100 140 160, सो 213 तो आंसर नहीं है. 12 के अंदर 40 प्लस 60 100. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? कैलकुलेशन ही करना है ना. आरुषि एक बार चेक कर लो, कैलकुलेशन अच्छे से चेक कर लो. चलो, let's take a look at the last set. You are given the shapes, you are given the measurements, height, radius. Flooring यानी कि this is for area and fencing this is for perimeter. Okay, ट्राइंगल के लिए ओके मेंसुरेशन का प्रॉब्लम है. ट्राइंगल के लिए एरिया इज हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट, पेरीमीटर इज length of all sides, rectangle base into height 2 times L plus B. I'll give you the answers. अगर आपको फॉर्मूले सारे याद है एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम के, विच मेंसुरेशन के क्लास में मैंने पक्का करवाया है, तो ये भी बड़ा सिंपल सेट होना चाहिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ लड्डू सेट. इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर हैविंग डन दिस सेट इन क्लास. आपके बैच में किया था या दूसरे बैच में, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. But I remember this set. Any problems in this one? (69th and 70th). Okay. 69th में the cost of fencing E is what percentage of cost of flooring C? C is a square, flooring यानी area, so 15 square multiplied by 40. 15 square multiplied by 40 के कंपैरिजन में मुझे क्या ढूंढना है? 15 cost of fencing of field E. E is a circle. Circle का fencing is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into 10. So 2 into pi into 10 into 22. इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन ही है पढ़ने का. फ्लोरिंग यानी एरिया, फेंसिंग यानी कि सरकमफ्रेंस और पेरीमीटर. फॉर्मूले के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है इसके अंदर पढ़ने का. शुभम 69 समझ में आ गया. सेम फंडा इज फॉर द 70th वन. 70th में क्या करना है? वही कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग C टू फेंसिंग D. C क्या है? Square, fencing, so 4 times length, and D parallelogram. So that's it. Calculation mistake, right? So maths easily in 25-30 minutes you could have got at least 25 plus marks. 30 में से 25 लाना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है. Very simple. Out of 25 easily, I mean out of 30 easily you could have got 25. This time maths was so simple, including the data interpretation sets. 24. Okay, not bad, not bad. बस जो मिस्टेक किया है वो एक बार चेक कर लो, आगे वो मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे. राइट, इजी. 29, वेरी गुड परम. चलो गाइस, लास्ट सेक्शन रीजनिंग. फटाफट इसके भी आंसर्स देख लेते हैं, फिर डाउट सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 71st से 71 to 75. 71 to 75. (72nd), okay. F is the brother of A. So F is the brother of A. C is the daughter of A. K is the sister of F. G is the brother of C. Then who is the uncle of G? Uncle of G should be F, none of the above. 72 का D होना चाहिए. 72 का D होना चाहिए. राइट 72 का D होना चाहिए. 73. A told B that C is his father's nephew. So A का फादर, A के फादर का कोई भाई या बहन एंड उसका बेटा C. D is A's cousin but not the brother of C. So D is not the brother of C. D could be the sister of C. राइट सेम जनरेशन पे है तो सिस्टर्स हो सकते हैं. बट सिस्टर्स नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज सी फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस इज देयर अ फिफ्थ ऑप्शन अवेलेबल. लेट्स फर्स्ट चेक दैट. नो देयर इज नो फिफ्थ ऑप्शन. तो 73 सिस्टर्स के अलावा ऑल्दो इट कैनॉट बी सिस्टर बट डी इज द कैन बी द सिस्टर ऑफ सी. राइट नेफ्यू है बट फादर आंट एंड मदर तो होगा नहीं. सो द रिलेशन बिटवीन डी एंड सी, डी इज द सिस्टर ऑफ सी. C is not the sister, C is the brother क्योंकि nephew. But other than sister there is no option which is close enough, so that is okay. Right? What relationships there between D and C? The relationship of a sister's relationship, if I want to give a bad explanation. But still it's okay. Right? Okay. 75th one में odd one out. Mango, papaya, apple, orange. Odd one out is mango because papaya, apple, orange में multiple seeds होते हैं. Mango में सिर्फ एक seed होता है. Mango has a single seed. Papaya, apple, orange all are multi-seed fruit. Right? Multi-seeded fruits. Okay. 76 onwards. Seasonal तो सारे ही हैं भाई. और आज के ज़माने में क्या seasonal? सब कुछ ही मिलता है. चलो 76 to 80. Arushi, only citrus fruit, but all the others are also, they are not papaya, apple and the other mango, they are all not of the same group. ग्रुपिंग होना चाहिए ना. या 76th echo, resonance, tone and ear. Echo, resonance and tone are all qualities of sound. Ear is the organ with which sound is heard. Echo, resonance and tone, they are all qualities of sound. Ear is used to hear a sound. Right? Chalo 76 to 80 seems to have been simple. 76 to 80. 77 island, coast, peninsula, oasis. Island is defined as nadi, a land surrounded by water. Coast is near water. Peninsula is also near water. Oasis is water in middle of land. Everything is land near water. Oasis is water in middle of land. So that's the odd one out. Right. 79th one. If rose is written, rose is written as 6821 and chair is written as 73456 and preach is written as 961473. ओके, देन सर्च के लिए कोड क्या होगा? ओके, सबसे पहले तो SEARCH, प्रीच एंड सर्च में देयर इज ओनली वन लेटर डिफरेंट, तो 961473 में से नंबर्स मैच, 5 out of 6 शुड बी देयर एंड रोज में से R है, E है एंड S है. So accordingly you can identify. So R के लिए क्या होगा? Can I identify? Right, 6821. So can I say 6 is R? And individually we can get that. We can guess the numbers which are common. Rows and chair में सिर्फ R common है. Right? Preach and rows के अंदर R and E common है. एंड 6 and 1 कॉमन है, तो E is equal to 1 and so on. आरुषि, गॉट इट? ओके, एक्सलेंट. इनफैक्ट इतना भी मेहनत क्यों करने का है यार? R के नीचे हमेशा 6 है. मैं भी क्या कर रहा हूँ? E is always 1. चलो, इसमें दिमाग ही कहाँ लगाने का है? शी. S is 2. 261473. I mean something like that. नहीं, सर्च, हाँ, गॉट इट. इजी. मैं भी कहाँ खो गया था? सिंपल था. आई अननेसेसरली आई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इट. ओके गाइस, 81 ऑनवर्ड्स. (81 to 85). Any problems? Hmm. 83. Okay. A pedal is part of a bicycle and or a pedal is used to move a bicycle. पेडल को धक्का मारेंगे तो बाइसिकल आगे बढ़ेगा, ओर को धक्का मारेंगे तो कैनू आगे बढ़ेगा. A pedal is used to move a bicycle and oar is used to move a canoe. Vocabulary based question. Analogies. You have to construct a sentence using the given and then from the options selected. Like pedal is used for movement of bicycle, so oar is used for movement of canoe. पेडल को धक्का मारेंगे तो बाइसिकल हिलेगा. पार्ट दिखेंगे तो टायर, ऑटोमोबाइल और कैनो दोनों ही तो होंगे, राइट? बट टायर ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल के लिए व्हील ऑफ बाइसिकल बेटर नहीं है. इफ यू थिंक इट इज पार्ट ऑफ होल, एंड टायर ऑटोमोबाइल अगर लेना है तो टायर का ऑटोमोबाइल के साथ जो रिश्ता है वो व्हील का बाइसिकल के साथ है, पेडल का बाइसिकल के साथ नहीं है. यू गेट दैट? So pedal is to bicycle cannot be tire is to automobile. 85th one. Chalo, let us take a look at 85th one. 1, 2, 5, 12, 27, 58, 121. कुछ तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन जैसा लग रहा है. Okay, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 0. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 12 2s are 24 plus 3. 27 2s are 54 plus 4. मिल गया, लॉजिक मिल गया. Did you get the logic? जिसको भी 85th में डाउट था, आरुषि? Okay. 84th. A metaphor is a poetic way of showing a symbol. Right? So analogy is a way of showing comparison. A metaphor is used to show symbolism. Analogy is used to show comparison. 84th one. Yes. चलो, 85 तक देख लिया हमने. 86 ऑनवर्ड्स. 86 onwards. Any doubts in this one? Doubts. 87th one, okay? What are the numbers given? 2, 15, 41, 80. And I have to complete the series. Okay. The difference is 13, 41, 31, difference is 26, difference is 39. Pretty obvious. So next 52. So 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 132. 87th B should be the answer. Aditya. Calculation mistake. Because your logic के हिसाब से तो B आना चाहिए. Yeah. चलो any other 90 तक. Any other question? 88 and 90. Okay. 88 and 90. 88 1. A man walks 1 kilometer towards the east, then south walks 5, then again east walks 2, then north walks 9. Now how far is he from the starting point? This is the starting point, this is the ending point. This distance is 4. This distance is 3. So this distance should be 5. Pythagoras. 5 kilometers. Parnika? Right? Okay. 90th one. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. Then 6 kilometers he walks back towards south. Oh come on, ये example तो book में है. Answer is 5. 3 kilometers towards east. From starting point he's 5 towards northeast. 5 towards northeast. ये तो 100% बुक में है आंसर. आई रिमेंबर ये बुक या किसी एक एक्सरसाइज में ये क्वेश्चन है. गॉट इट? राइट. लास्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस. क्यूब्स एंड क्यूबॉइड्स. ओ ये तो बुक वाला है. ये तो बुक वाला है. बुक वाला है. बुक वाला है. ना हो तो भी ओरली कर सकते हैं. 91 to 95. And 96 to 100. Any doubts? 91 to 95 तो पप्पू एग्जाम्पल है. क्यूब्स एंड क्यूबॉइड्स में तो ये सॉल्व करवाया हुआ है मैंने. वीडियो भी उसका अवेलेबल होगा. क्यूब्स एंड क्यूबॉइड्स वाला वीडियो भी रिफर करोगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा उसका. 96th वन देख लेते हैं. चलो 96th वन क्या है. ओके ये एग्जाम्पल तो किसी एक एक्चुअल एग्जाम में पूछा. दिस इज फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द एक्चुअल पेपर्स. 5 people sitting in a line. One of the 2 persons farther end is sharp and fair. So sharp and fair या तो sharp and fair दोनों में से कोई एक पोजिशनिंग. ओवरवेट इज टू द राइट ऑफ फीबल. तो फीबल के राइट में ओवरवेट है. टॉल इज टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ फेयर. तो फेयर के लेफ्ट में टॉल यहां पे नहीं हो सकता. सो टॉल इज टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ फेयर and feeble is between sharp and overweight. So feeble is between sharp and overweight. So ये मेरा sequence हो गया. So 96th one. Tall person is at which place counting from right? Second. So 96 is B. Person to the left of feeble is sharp. 97th is A. Who is sitting in the middle? Overweight. So E. Once you get the arrangement, then to it is easy. Did you get this arrangement? Then to all 5 questions you will get. Did everybody get this one? Man, padna padta hai. Read it carefully. Right? See, the question is very, very easy. 5 marks, Laddu 5 marks, and less than a minute. But if you don't read your question properly, you will end up in trouble. Else the set was very easy. So in about 20 minutes, you could easily have scored around 24 to 25 marks, bare minimum. Out of 30, 24, 25 was very much possible in just 20-25 minutes. So if you take a look at that, in GK, I don't know. GK, let's assume that you get only 15. Right? Then in English, how much did we expect? In English, 12, 19, 19, 20, around 22, 24. Let's take 23 as a conservative guess. Maths mein 20, 30. Let's get 28 as a 28 name. This is 10, 14, 24. So let us take again 23 in maths. And reasoning mein, let us take 10, 24. Let's again take 23. So 69, 79, 89, 84, 86 marks. So bare minimum out of 130 you could have got in this test. Bare minimum, आराम से without मेहनत you should have got. And 100 plus ka score is very much possible in this test. Right? So I'll send across the answer key. You can check your GK scores, and then you can see how much you scored and what mistakes you did and what you could have done better. That's, guys, done. So guys, that's it. Done with the analysis for the day. You'll be meeting, you'll be having your GK session tomorrow, and then we'll have next week, probably the last week for our preparations. Right? So if there are any doubts, I'm hanging around for you to ask questions. Else we are done for the day. You may exit the session. Have a good day and stay safe.